Hello darlings, welcome to Bali.
Fancy. Look at this effort. I'm not joking here. I'm very dehydrated.
I'm really dehydrated.
I am extremely dehydrated. Bye. Let's see it. Alright guys, we are at the second location, so we've just got off our flight. We came back at 12 AM, no 12:20 AM from our flight, and then 1 AM we were already fucking out, off to Mount Batur, and we are here at Mount Batur at the close entrance. Wait.
My name is Eddie.
Eddie?
Eddie? Nice to meet you, Eddie. I will be your guide to Batur. So if you are ready, we can go. Yeah? Let's go.
We're at the top of Mount Batur right now.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, that's actually, look at that, look at that.
Right as sun rises.
Taking DPs over here. And that guy's got a fucking huge ass camera.
Hell yeah. That's a sexy ass camera as well, bro.
Right, it's a pretty cool place. We've taken the drones out and all that. So we just did the Mount Batur
Yo,
hike.
we're on our way down. That was hectic. Like, we got off the airplane and that was the first thing we did besides getting to our Airbnb. And now we're on our way down. It's the easy way down, but Nick can show you how trippy it is.
Right, like I think we're getting back to the B&B at 11. We haven't slept at all. So good view on the way down. Got some super cool drone shots. We might be going to Waterfalls later on, but it depends on how much sleep we get. We might get 3 hours, might something better than that later on at night. We'll see.
Got our drip.
We've got our drip. I will see you guys later on. Hey guys, we have finished the Mount Batur hike and we are just here in the pool. We are not fucking sleeping. We have not slept since like ages. We're just taking naps every now and then and we're not even fucking tired. Fucking insane. I don't know when we're gonna sleep. We're gonna have our first sleep tonight. We haven't even had a sleep in Bali yet, so looking forward to that. And we're going Finn's Beach Club and I don't know, doing some random shit. I think the others are having brunch, massages and some stuff. So we're just chilling here and we'll see you soon. I'm not bringing a fucking camera into Finn's, but we'll see you.
I need your energy. I need your energy. This world is killing me. Light it up. If you feeling me, I feel. Light it up. If you feeling me, I feel. Light it up. If you feeling me, I feel. Light it up.
It's the second day. Oh my god, it's actually the second day. It's only the second day. But we've done so much. So last night we were at Finn's Beach Club. It was pretty fucking fun. They basically, the thing was we paid a $100 bar tab before we even got there. So we had to fucking finish the $100 bar tab, and drinks here are like pretty cheap. And there was a buy one get one free.
Oh my god.
So it was pretty fucked. But it's not even like it's 7 AM and we all managed to wake up. We're all out here. The driver's actually already out that door. He came in and he was like, hey, what's up? He was very friendly, very nice guy, Dickan. We're going to Ubud today, and we're going to just the Tegalang rice paddies, giant swing, everything in Ubud. Kechak fire dance at 7:30 PM, oh no, 6 PM. But we're coming back at 9 PM. So it's gonna be a good day. Woo! Guys, we are in the car. This is a 14-seater car. Look how many people are in here. Yeah, look how many people are in here. That's kind of insane, to be honest. Someone copy this shit. But convenience store we're going in because we haven't ate anything.
So we're trying some chips. They're called Kasuka. And they are barbecue flavor. And they're really good.
This girl was on 7 years, so it's just really good vlogging material.
We're there to have fun, so I wouldn't be worried about it too much.
We're at Alas Harum. It's a fucking beautiful place. We haven't even seen half of it. It's just in this Bali infinity pool. And we're just in the Ubud. There's so many rice paddies around here. Look at that. Pretty fucking cool. Pretty insane. But look, this place is just like really touristy. Pretty good place to fucking go to. So we're looking at the very extremely interesting pyramids of Bali.
Yes.
Very, very, very cool. Very, very interesting. Oh, the fuck,
Jesus Christ, man.
It's on video. Wait, bravo. Wait, squeeze the nipples. What the fuck? Alright, it is 2 PM now. We are going to take along rice paddy fields and going to the markets and stuff later on. But look at this. Woo. That's pretty sick. Anyways, see ya. Guys, we are being eaten by some fucking cunts. I don't know. Smile.
Since the flood, Ophelia, heaven help a fool who falls in love.
Alright guys, we're trying to find the drone again. So GPS says it's somewhere over there. When we get close, there's a feature we can make it start flashing and beeping and shit, making a ton of noise. So that's what we're gonna do. This is the first time I've actually crashed it, especially from that high up. It was like 90 meters. Just like pretty fucking big impact, but
Hey, that's a lie. That's a lie. He crashed it. He crashed it into the tree at our villa. What do you got to say about that?
no, it's a big impact, but we know that it's fine because we can still see the recording. So I'm gonna have to walk up here, so it's gonna be a bit. I don't want to offend the locals, but yeah, whatever. I found the drone. I found it. Holy fuck. Now to get out of here because, oh no. Oh, it's fine. That's just screws. It's a little broken, but it's just screws. Okay. Fucking hell.
How are you, bro? Dude.
It's good. It looks like this might just be screws. So we'll see, but nothing to worry about right now. It's just a lesson. Alright, we just made it to the Ubud monkey forest. Bro, these
Crazy.
they're so fucking cute. Like
Everywhere, literally.
Usually
everywhere
like
you look,
action
there's a
shit
monkey.
everywhere, and the babies are so cute. It's insane. I've got my it's got wrapped it up so they don't take that. finish
in
the wood monkey forest?
Nick is really sad to leave his family and his home behind. Like he really enjoyed seeing his aunties and uncles.
I just stop the video. Fuck you.
So we have just finished visiting monkeys from a monkey farm. We're now on our way back, but as you can see, there's like a lot of koi fish, and some of these koi fish actually have potential. Zoom in on that one over there. Zoom in on that one. The red, black, and white one. So that one, if you crossbreed it with like itself, it's got good potential to be on the market for like $4 million because it's that koi fish over there, the red, black, and white one. Because it's a Honourable.
Hello guys. Now, do you reckon we could do a simultaneous vlog?
No, let's do that. Fuck it.
Alright, okay.
So you want to tell?
Guys, so we,
Okay, go.
Alright guys,
Well, why is it flash?
we have a fire alarm situation.
Why is it flashing red, guys?
No, we're trying to start up the drone because my drone got fucked up. But his drone's also fucked.
Wait, why is it flashing?
We're trying to test it out, and this is the byproduct of it.
Dude.
What?
No, you turn this on. I'll turn this.
We're gonna go for it.
Does it go high as soon as possible?
It'll go below the ceiling fan.
Whoa!
Hey! Hey, nah, you're gonna calm me, I swear. Hey! Oh, you're starting a joke, fucking god.
Oh, it works!
Alright guys, it's what, day 3 in Bali. We have so many fucking mosquito bites. So many. It's insane. And today we're just gonna go to whitewater rafting, ATV. And then some boys are going on the Manta tour hike tonight. And that's fucked. We're not, because we already did though. But we will see you at whitewater rafting.
Running through the strange life, chasing all them green lights, throwing up the shade for a little bit of sunshine.
Recording.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It's day 3 in Bali and we are whitewater rafting today. So, are we excited guys?
Yeah, okay. I don't think anyone's excited.
And we're having breakfast now too. Cheers!
We had the most fucking insane waterfall.
Bro, this shit's so good.
That was no, honestly, we didn't even expect that shit. But this is kind of fucking amazing. Everything is so cool. This looks like Avatar. Guys, this activity is fucking insane. When can you go rafting and then have beers and cigs? Where can you do this? Oh my fucking god.
Yes, I'm recording. Hi guys. Ah, okay. Wiggle. Get up right here. One side. Get the girls to paddle. What the wait? What? Okay. Alright guys. We gotta die. Holy fuck! Guys, we just finished the white water rafting. That was insane. Top 3 grand. That was fun.
Alright guys, we've just finished whitewater rafting. It's pretty fucking sick. There's some waterfall footage coming up. And we are now out quad biking. I haven't driven a quad bike, and some others haven't. I don't know if it's going to be fun or not, but we'll see. Alright guys, yesterday we did quad biking and whitewater rafting. It was actually really fun. Got some really good footage. Last night we went fucking clubbing. Some people didn't go to all of them, but I went to Sandbar. We tried to go to the Vault, but we weren't 21 and they actually do check ID at the Vault. And we also went to Atlas.
And turn the camera, birthday boy.
Turn the camera. This guy's the birthday boy. We always all sing him happy birthday in the club. But today we're just going to the waterfall, Nong Nong Waterfall, and there's really sick footage there. It's not as populated as the other one, so it's really good, and you'll be able to get better shots. So Nong Nong Waterfall, and then we're going to some beach clubs today as well. Alrighty guys, see you at the waterfall. Alright guys, I got fucking so many mozzie bites, but today we are at Nong Nong Waterfall.
I don't want to do my face.
It's pretty fucking sick. We're gonna see some sick shit. We already saw YouTubers coming out of it, so that means it's gonna be sick shit. We gonna be YouTubers now. We gonna be the YouTubers.
Just spray, but don't. Guys, this is it. This is Nong Nong Falls. Nong Nong Falls right here. Guys, we're here. Bro, this is insane. This is the biggest waterfall I've ever seen. That's insane. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, we finished Nong Nong Waterfall. What we're doing now is we're going to these flea markets. I'm a bit hot, like I've got a little fever, so
Really?
yeah, a little bit. So I'm just chilling.
This is my third time in
But we're gonna go to Josh's birthday dinner, and then we're gonna go clubbing again. Oh shit. Okay. Anyways, goodbye, guys. So there's a bit of bad news. We have contracted coronavirus 19. I'm gonna have to like book a hotel or something. Stay away from these guys. Some people can't go back to where they're going afterwards without being negative. Today's the day we're moving B&Bs as well. So we're going to Nusa Penida. So we're going to Nusa Penida. There's basically Kling Kling Beach and the manta rays is what we want to do. We're gonna get there about 4 p.m. and we're gonna just stay there for the next day and then leave on the day afterwards for our flight at 11. So
Luggage.
I think that's my bag. Alright guys, this fucking cunt just pushed my bag off the ground. Yeah.
It's alive. Yeah, it's fine.
We're at Nusa Penida right now. And yeah, we're getting ready to get to the villa. Guys, we're at the villa. It's supposed to be 10 rooms here, but only 5 of the rooms are booked, which is all of us. So it's a fucking private villa, so all the amenities and all the services are not shared, they're used by us, so it's gonna be pretty cool. It is like the 6th or 7th, 5th day of the trip. And I had the shits last night, so I shat 3 times after waking up this morning. And we are going to manta ray snorkeling. It's gonna be fun, and we will see you there. Guys, we are just leaving the port. We're going snorkeling now. Let's go. Apparently this is a bad day for manta rays, but maybe we'll see one down there. Well, we're better. They said they're supposed to be at the top, but we ain't seen it, none at the top. So we're gonna see them at the bottom. Zero manta rays. We're day touring west side, and this is the first stop, and we're going here tomorrow to actually go down.
Wow, I remembered my...
Okay guys, we are at Broken Beach. This is the second stop, very close to Angels Billabong, which we will show you guys soon as well. I don't know if you can hear me, but woo! Alright guys, we're at Crystal Bay. Last time I came here there was this really cool secret beach in a cove tucked away just over there. You go up the stairs over here and then you just go over there. So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll see you there. Alright guys, we've made it to the beach. It is one of my favorite beaches and it's here. Look how cool that is. Look how cool that is.
So worth.
It is pretty worth, but the way here was so I'm so fucking itchy, man. I have so many muscle bites, it's fucking insane. But we're gonna go in and go.
Welcome to the vlog. We're at Kling Kling Beach.
Hi guys, we're at Kling Kling Beach. We've met a few people who we're going with. They're from America. This is Johnny over here. Got a few others over there as well. We got Colin and Sebastian.
What about the monkey?
They're fun. And we got the monkey as well.
It's fun.
We're going to Kling Kling Beach. We're going at the bottom. We'll see you there. It's about 3 hours return. And oh, okay, yeah, let's go. You fucking bitch. Yeah, we just finished the Kling Kling Beach hike back up. Right, Kevin, how was it?
Bro. You're basically going at like an incline, like 90 degrees up.
Literally.
All the way up.
You have ropes to pull you up.
Yeah, it's a full body workout.
It was short, but it was very hard, I think.
Good one.
Alright, so we were so fucking tired after Kling Kling Beach. But we met a few friends, so we invited some girls over. We just had a pool party. And it was so tiring after Kling Kling Beach. The fucking hike up was so intense. We just napped, we had some dinner. And we are on our last day tomorrow. We are doing nothing tomorrow, nothing vloggable at least. All we're doing is going around the Seminyak markets, walking around and waiting till our flight at 11 p.m. Our days are finishing.
Okay, brother. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. We're at our last day. We have the airport, but our ferry got cancelled, so it was 9 o'clock, 9:30. But now it's 12 o'clock, so we're at this beach club right here. Beautiful.
If you did not have a drink, I would have pushed you over. I saw it, I'm like, maybe I won't be a bitch.
Guys, we have finished. We are all fucking tired as hell. I'm tired as fuck. I don't know what it is. I've been shitting non-stop for the past 3 days. I didn't know it was possible to shit that much. We're on the car right here and I was like, we have to stop right now. I couldn't hold it. It was fucked. But we have our flight soon. And that's it for today's vlog. We are done this trip. And we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Say goodbye to the vlog. What happened, Nick? Okay. So, Bali Airport is very sneaky. They'll put hundreds and hundreds of shops here. Hundreds and hundreds of shops. We've got gate 8.
Speak louder.
We've got gate 8 at the very end, alright? And hundreds of shops. I go in, I'm like, I want a water for this trip because, you know, I get very fucking thirsty, you know? And then you go in, you buy water. You get to the fucking gate, you see hundreds of fucking plastic bottles. This is literally contributing to the great ocean pollution. You know, they have that plastic fucking dump in the middle. That's all from that fucking box with all those plastic bottles that everyone's downing. Yeah? And then all the fucking clean water. That's why there's no fucking clean tap water in fucking Bali. Because all the water's there, alright? All the fucking water's there. And then they take like 1.5 litre fucking bottle and they fucking stick it away.
How much you buy it for? $4.50, bro. $450,000 rupees. That shit's expensive.
Wait, but we'll pass the fucking checkout, the customs and everything. And then, like, they're not selling bomb chemicals in the fucking checkout. Like, what? I can bring these fucking water onto the plane. I don't know. They just want to starve us. Indonesia, okay, Bali just wants to starve you, okay? They make you buy fucking bottled water. You can't drink the fucking tap water. You can't do anything. You can't drink any fucking water. Right? You just gotta you chuck it away as well. They starve you on the plane. They dehydrate you on the plane as well. You can't drink any fucking water. Bullshit. You gotta wait around for the trolley to come every 20 fucking minutes. Then you gotta wait for them to give you a fucking 200 ml plastic cup. Yeah? You're like, please can I have a 200 ml plastic cup? Oh yes sir, no worries. Good day, makasi. And you take it, and then boom, they're done. That's all you drink. It's fucking done.
I saw a cup right now. bro, it's the air marshal. Bro, it's the air marshal. It's the air marshal over there. He like to speak to you.
Anyways, guys, great Bali trip.
It was a great Bali trip.
Except for the water.
Except for that time and the fact that Nick has Bali belly and he's shitting himself.
I was about to smuggle the fucking water. Like I put it in a plate.
Man,
I could have literally just took it, but like everyone was like, oh no, don't do it, fucking pussy.
Sorry, you want to pay for something? In-flight entertainment, $13.